Hello and welcome to Beauty with Myra. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media accounts. And let's get started. Using all of the items that came in my BoxyCharm box this month, we're going to be recreating this look. First of all, before we do anything, we're going to be applying the South Main under eye patches to soothe a little bit my puffiness and my dark circles before we apply our makeup. And I'm going to be putting these on, and I'm going to be leaving them for about 15 minutes on my face before continuing with our makeup. Once that is all said and done, we're going to take them off. We're going to rub in the solution, let it soak into our skin, and then we're going to get started. Using the BoxyCharm Pure Cosmetics palette that came in my box with these beautiful colors, we're going to be recreating these looks. We also received these 1, 2, 3 step brushes, which I'm going to be using with the palette. First of all, I'm going to be picking up this color on the corner named Perfect, which is a nude matte color. I'm going to be applying it all over my lid before applying this following color, which is called Naked, which is like an orangey brownish tone, and I'm going to be applying that on my center of my eyes as a transition color. Next color I'm going to be applying on top of this is called Belle, and I'm going to be just concentrating more of that on my crease and blending it upward. Next color, I'm going to be using this bright blue color that is called MIA or Mia. And I'm going to be mixing it with a little bit of setting spray before applying it. I'm only going to be applying this blue in the centers of my lid, not going into my inner corner and not going to my outer corner. This blue is so intense, it is beautiful. Next up, I'm going to be applying this called BFF, which is a beautiful purple matte color, and I'm going to be applying that on my outer corner and inner corner. Blending it in towards the blue. On top of that, I'm going to be applying this other color called ATL, which is more of a shimmer, brownish coppery color, and overlapping it over the purple. Same purple that we did before the BFF, I'm going to be applying it into the inner corner. And same as that, I'm going to be applying the other ATL on top of that. Just to make the blue a little bit more intense, I'm going to be applying it with my finger. Next up, I'm using this color called Bay. And I'm going to be using that to blend out the line of the purple a little bit more. Mixing the two colors together, Naked and Belle, I'm going to be using that just to blend out a little bit more towards up my brow bone. And to highlight underneath the brow bone, I'm going to be mixing the Perfect, and I'm going to be using Charmer. Next item in my box is this black liner that came from Vintage Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying that into my waterline and also blending it out into between my eyelashes. You can be using just a little bit of a brush just to smoke that eyeliner out, just to intensify it. And on top of that, I'm going to be applying the BFF color again over it. And I'm going to be applying a little bit of Boxy Black on the outer corner to make it even darker. Next up, I'm just going to be using a regular black liner to line the top of my eyes. I will be creating a winged look just to connect it to the bottom black liner. Just to really make my eyes dark, that way the blue of the eyeshadow really stands out. Next up, I'm going to be using these brushes that came in the box itself, which are these beautiful white with baby pink, and I'm just going to be dusting off my face with them to take off any. I'm going to be applying foundation off of the camera and applying my eyelashes, and I'm going to be using a little bit of setting powder underneath my eyes to bake a little my makeup. And because the next step is I received this palette by Ofra. It is this amazing magnetic palette to which you can put in all the other single makeup or single blushes or single eyeshadows. The first one I received is this bronzer by Ofra, and I'm going to be using it to contour and to chisel out my cheekbones. And I'm just going to be going up my hairline to really make my face look slimmer. Next up, I'm using just one of the bigger brushes just to buff that bronzer out. Next up, I'm going to be using this beautiful blush by Vulgar Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying that onto my cheeks. Next up, I'm just going to be using a little bit of powder just to tone out and to make it a little bit more blendable onto my face. I'm creating more of a veil look so that way the blush shines through the powder but without being so intense. To highlight my face, I'm using this Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. I'm just going to be applying that on the tops of my cheekbones. To the tips of my nose and to my cupid's bow. Next up is I'm going to be applying this mascara that I received in my BoxyCharm box just to the bottom lashes. I can't really use regular mascara on my regular lashes because it will put them down because my lashes are not naturally curled, but I can use this mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to be using just my waterproof mascara just to connect my lashes to the top lashes, just to intensify and make this look even darker so that way the blue really stands out. I'm using the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter just to highlight the inner corner of my eye. And the last product in this box is this lip scrub, and I'm going to be exfoliating my lips before applying the last final touch, which is my lipstick. Remove all of the dead cells, especially if you're going to be using matte lipsticks or liquid lipsticks. That way your lips do not look cakey. And it's just sugar syrup, so it tastes delicious. So once that, just wipe it off and then apply your lipstick. I'm going to be applying one of my Etude House lipsticks, a bright pink. Since we're going with bright colors, might as well do a bright pink to match this look. And there you go. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and let me know, did you like your BoxyCharm this month? I will see you next video. Take care. Goodbye.